All right, guys, there have been some issues with the cookie grabbing. People don't really get it, so I'm making a more compact video and explaining it step by step. First of all, log into your HoYoLab. Very, very important. And then you go to your Battle Chronicle. Very, very important. Then you go to the settings section here, which I will do really quick. Make sure everything is active. The Battle Chronicle is, I think, the Spire Abyss stats overview. The show your character details are obviously your characters. And the real-time notes are information like resin, teapot currency, expeditions, parametric transformer. I think that is pretty much every information you can get from there. And once that's done, that's great. So you will be able to use all these notification functions on the bot. If these are not active, there's a high chance that you will not be able to use it on the bot. All right. So what do you do to get the OYLab cookie? There's two different ways. For mobile, it's a little bit different than on desktop, so I'll go through it step by step. What you will have to do is in the video description. There will be a link. I think it's the second link. It says cookie. Then there will be a link starting with raw GitHub user content.com FortOfFans, right? I have opened this link right here so we can actually see the script here. If you don't have to be a coding genius to understand the script, it just grabs the cookie from the web page. And what you need to do is you need to paste this cookie, the script, into the URL bar to execute the script in order to get your cookie. Sounds pretty simple. However, due to Chrome, it doesn't really work. It's pretty straightforward. If we were to paste the script right here, as you can see right here, there's a little Google icon where my cursor is right now. We see the little Google icon. What does it mean? If I were now to execute this quote script, it would not act as a script. It would rather act as a Google search. So I will just do that for you guys. As you can see right here, we have the Google search executed. So we'll go back to the Battle Chronicle. What do you do in order to prevent that from happening? What you do is you don't copy the entire script. What you do is you start from script and copy that part. You go back to your Battle Chronicle and you type the Java yourself and paste the rest of the script. And then you're essentially set. As you can see right here, if you look where my cursor is, the Google icon disappeared. And we now have a world icon there. If I were to execute it now, which I won't do because I don't want to edit this video, and if I execute it, my cookie will be shown. You will get a page with your cookie printed out, and then there will be a button that says "click to copy cookie," which then you can click on, and then I can show you in Discord how you pasted it, right? So mobile is a little bit different. You will still be able to use the same script here, but here I have a little video or YouTube short I pre-recorded. Why am I showing this one? I don't want to edit too much, so I'll just use that one again. As you can see right here, the script is being executed, and as you can see here, we can copy it, right? So what does happen here? On mobile, you need to log into your HoYoLab. It's required for you to when you want to log in, if you're on the web page, you see the three dots at the top right corner if you're on the HoYoLab page. Click those, activate desktop site, then you'll be able to log in into HoYoLab. That's the first step. Next step is you open the cookie script link, which I will have in the description. That's the second step. Then you go on this on the web page and copy the script. On mobile, you can use the entire script. You don't have to split it apart to be able to use it. What you do, however, is before you paste the script, you use your space bar, right? And have an empty character in the URL bar, and then paste the script. And then the script will work fine, as you will see in the showcase in a second. We can simply just go through it. So here, as you can see, I'm copying the script. I'll go back, I refresh the page. That's not required for you to do. Now we go to the URL bar, I hit space, and then pasted the script. And that's pretty much it. That's the process of getting your cookie on mobile. Hope this was more understandable now than it was in the previous videos. So, all right, now we're in Discord. Once you've copied your cookie from the script, what you do is you use a certain command on the Dainsleif Discord board. That's very important. /dailies. It's pretty simple. And what you need to do is you need to paste your cookie and your user ID. There's a few people who made a mistake, which I guess I can change the title here. When it says enter your user ID, it is talking about your in-game Genshin Impact in-game user ID. It's not the HoYoLab ID, which some people have put in, which caused some issues at the start of this whole thing, which now is being checked. But yeah, I still need to mention it. This is the in-game user ID. Why the in-game user ID? Based on your user ID, it checks what regional profile it claims, all the codes, all the login details, and where it gets your schedule data from, your expedition data, the character list command, the spiral information. What else do we have? Yeah, that's pretty much everything. So make sure to add your in-game user ID. I'll change that later if I don't forget. And in the second field here, as you can see here, you enter your HoYoLab cookie. I think that's also very self-explanatory, as it says right here. Why? With the cookie, the bot will be able to access your HoYoLab account. And then from the HoYoLab account, you can get all the data, and then the images can be generated or this reminders can be set up. That's why it's required. Please note, I think I said this in the other video. If you accidentally put the cookie in a public channel, this is obviously a private channel, but if you were to, let's say, a random cookie right here and you send it, people can actually access your HoYoLab account. So make sure you are on the submission modal of the dailies command. Therefore, people won't be able to see it. Also, as you can see right here, let's say if the user ID is false. Wait, okay. If the user ID is false, the bot will not take this. If the cookie is wrong, the bot will also not take it. So as you can see right here, it will reply with your cookie is invalid. Please watch this video to fully understand how to obtain the proper HoYoLab cookie. The current video here will be obviously replaced with the one I'm recording right now so that there's actually a compact video on the cookie. And I think that's pretty much it. If you have issues, if you followed every single step and it didn't work, what you need to do is you log out of your HoYoLab and then relog in, and that will refresh the cookie and therefore make sure that you can actually log in on the bot. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Take care.